Well, two people are now facing charges in connection with the death of a 2-year-old child and the abuse of several others. Thomas Smith III and Josephina Upson stood before a judge this morning, and 9 on your side's Ali Kramer was inside the courtroom and has the story.
A family member who owns this Kessler Place home says that Thomas and Josephina came to town about a week ago, and she tells us that she let them stay with her as well as their 4 children. But she never knew of the alleged abuse going on in her own home. 29-year-old Thomas Smith III walked into court this morning facing a murder charge. Police say he caused the death of 2-year-old Rosalie Pantoja. The young girl was rushed to the hospital from this North Avondale home on Friday afternoon. Someone called 911 and reported she wasn't breathing. Homicide detective Eric Correguleff says the coroner believes the little girl died of a lacerated liver caused by a punch or a strike. And detectives wanted to be sure that municipal court judge Richard Burnett fully grasped the severity of her injuries, passing over photos of the child taken at the hospital and then presumably at the morgue.
As you can see, there's a lot of injuries head to toe on that child.
Police and Children's Services removed 3 other children from the home as well, a 1-year-old, a 4-year-old, and a 6-year-old. Detectives say 2 of the children showed signs of abuse and bruises. One of them was severely malnourished.
The mark you see here is actually, Children's Hospital believes that is adhesive from potentially like duct tape or something similar. That was that apparently had been on the body at one point in time, they thought.
The children's mother, Josephina Upson, in court today too. She's facing 3 counts of child endangering for either knowing about or allowing the abuse. Smith is being held on a $1.25 million bond, Upson on a $100,000 bond. Both are due back in court at the end of the month. Reporting in North Avondale, Ali Kramer, 9 on your side.